Hello guys, my name is Deepak Kumar Solanki. Recently I graduated from Samrat of Technological Institute Edition in the field of computer science and technology. In June month I joined Jspider in one stack development training. In my training I learned lots of things like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React.js and backend portion from Sketch. The trainers are well educated and they teach me from Sketch and they help me to build my career in tech field. And at last I will say like the HR team also good, they will support you to get a job.